What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the apartment maintenance channel. In today's video, we're going to install the maintenance repair kit for our Ozone machine, which is the QT Thunder 2, which the first one has a knob or a dial. This one here is all digital where you can set a timer. And this maintenance kit here comes with new fuses that go in here and a new plate. So we'll get the kit opened up, see everything we got inside there. I'll just show you what the machine's doing, or not doing, I should say. We'll just go ahead and hit manual. You can see the lights on, but our light here for the Ozone, that light should be lit up green. So go ahead and unplug it. We'll get this kit opened up. And the kit here, this is the 300, and a couple other kits, probably for different models. Okay, and here's our new plate and our fuses. That's pretty much everything in the kit. So you get some alcohol prep pads, 2 new fuses. So we got some instructions and a description of everything that's in the package. And here's our plate. This is what goes bad on these. Usually you can take them out, wipe them off if you get some moisture on them. But if you had any pitting in there or holes, the Ozone won't run. So you got to replace the plate. And this is recommended every 3 to 6 months. So here's our kit. So we got our dielectric plate, 2 fuses, alcohol wipes, and cleaning instructions. And here's the instructions. And they give you 6 alcohol prep pads here and our 2 fuses. They look to be the same. Yeah, both 200 milliamp fuses. Okay, so we'll get the top cover off. There's 6 screws. These 2 on top, or these 2 on the side, these 2 up top, and these 2 on this side. Just a Phillips. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those 6 screws out and we'll be right back. Okay, we have all our screws removed. Now we'll go ahead and we'll lift the top off. Okay, and here's our plate. These little plastic fingers here, you can pull them apart. There's one on the other side as well. Pull them apart gently so this metal plate spreads apart, so you can pull out the plate. And this plastic piece here may come off sometimes as well. It just slides on, so we can set that aside for now. Go ahead and we'll pull the plate out, and you can see this plate's pretty rough. I have tried cleaning this up before with an alcohol wipe, and it's shot. So we'll go ahead and we'll put the new plate in. But before we do that, we're going to clean up this metal plate here on both sides. There's the other side of it. What we'll do, we'll open this up a little bit. We'll clean out inside here. You want to be careful when you do that because this can break very easily. So we'll get out our wipes. And we'll just go ahead and open this up. And we'll wipe in here the best we can. Not going to be able to get every part of it just because you don't have the room. But try to clean it up the best you can. Get the outside as well. Okay, once you feel you have your plate cleaned up pretty good, go ahead and get rid of that. Grab our new plate. Same plate, you can see all the stuff on there. Then we'll go ahead and open this up and carefully drop this in. And it sits in this little groove on each end, just like that. Okay, there's our plate. Now we'll go ahead and put this piece back on. We'll inspect that too. It's pretty clean. Doesn't look like there's anything on it. And it just slides in the back here. There's a little groove for it. There it is. Okay, that's the plate. Now we'll go ahead and throw the cover back on. Okay, now that we have access to the fuse, go ahead and get the power cord out of the way. And we want to take out the fuse and the little black cover here. So you get yourself a little tiny precision flathead or just a little screwdriver. Give it a quarter turn to the left and we'll pull out our fuse. Usually these fuses here will go bad whenever your plate is either dirty or damaged, and that's why our fuse is blown, because of our plate here. There's some cracks. If I focus, you can see there's a hairline crack that goes out that way and up to the side here. You can see where the plate's damaged. This side here, there's a little crack right through here, comes over the side. But if this plate has a bunch of debris on it, a hole burned in it, or a crack, that's what will cause your fuse to blow. So here's our fuse we took out. The meter on continuity. Here's our fuse. One lead on one end, one on the other. Nothing. Get one of our new fuses out. These are both the same. They're both the small one. Here's our new one. Hold one lead on one end, touch the other end. Good fuse. Alright, we'll just put that back in the fuse holder. And then we'll put it back in the machine. And then just give it a quarter turn clockwise. Locks it back in place. Go ahead and plug it back in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the 6 screws back in, 2 on each side, 2 on the top, and then we'll plug it in and test it out. Now we'll go ahead and turn it on and we'll see if our ozone light comes on. And there it is, you can hear it. It's pretty easy repair, a little maintenance, that's recommended every 3 to 6 months, of course, depending on use. But yeah, you want to keep these plates clean, and whenever your green light's not on, that's because that little fuse on the back the fuse that goes right in here on the smaller one. That fuse there is the one that's going to pop. And the reason being, either your plate has debris on it, or it has cracks in it, or a hole burned in it. Which this one has some cracks, and starting to have, I think right there, that's the hole it's starting. But yeah, I've already cleaned this up before and replaced the fuse, put it back in, and blew the fuse after. So that's the reason why I went and bought the kit. I think the kit was about $20. And the kit is the QT Thunder Kit 300. There it is. Alright, so that's replacing the plate and the fuse in a Queenaire QT Thunder Ozone machine. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you on the next one.